Good evening, Canada Tortoise Capital Nightly Strategy Podcast for September 11th, 2024. Start with some sniper trades of the day. This is CLF, 10 minutes. Yesterday's close, today's open. Here's the OR10. So I'm ready to go long or short after the breakout. Breaks out to the downside, standard risk. RL10 reverses. I take the skin of the dragon exit for 2R. Continues on for a PSAR flip. Standard risk. 2R battle drill at a second position. At a third position on the breakout, closed by the end of the day. Total deal for today was +2. This one scores 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one scores 1, 2, 3. This one scores 1. So that's a 9R trade. This is 2, so that's +11. This is DIA. $10-minute. Yesterday's close, today's open, so that's the gap. Here's the OR10. This thing was selling off so hard, I took the frog entry in mid-bar. Skin of the dragon exit for 2R. PSAR flip entry, standard risk. Exit, re-entry, exit for the day. This one is about 3R. This one is 1R, so that's 3 and 1 and 2. That's +6 for the day. Pretty good day at work. Just about anything you threw a dot at today made money. We'll look at the traders. They made money today, Hamad. Let's see. That's yesterday. Where's today? Here we go. There's his 4R trade in DIA. Same trade that we took, only he got better paid. And he was not in a zero state ready to trade here. So we'll just take 4. And XLA turns 2.2. Gets the re-entry key to sanity twice for a total of 2.2. And then Cliff 2.7 in the usual way. So pretty good day at work, almost 8R for his Hamad. And found it easier to work the short side on the Z3 breaks. So nice work all across the board. We'll take a look at today's reports. My spider senses today was a response to Kamala Harris winning the debate last night. Market favors certainty, and she's going to spend a lot of the people's money, and the Democrats like that, and the banks like that. So I think that's what we saw today. Sorry, why is that acting so funny? Let's get this page under control, Long. Come on. There we go. All right. Let's try. We saw the sniper trade. The 150-day look back is looking good. The 30-day, as we're approaching that all-time high again on a huge move today. Today's range was as large as the previous 5-day range. So we're getting the Z. We're getting the 5-day range breakout from a compressed state. We talked about that a lot with the coaching cohorts this week earlier. So they were all prepared for today. The double bottom on the 30-minute sniper in SPY just crushed it today. Bullish normal overbought all across the board. Volatility is favorable for the long side. All of those little buy on dip channeling and overreaction signals paid off beautifully. We did have some weakness in the energy sector with Devon and Nucor Steel and the steel and ExxonMobil in energy, but otherwise big strong moves in Verizon, Microsoft, IBM. So Main Street was looking pretty good today. In the ETFs, weakness in energy, strength in discretionary. Still a ton of things on sale for the auto framer. Still a buyer's market here. And a handful of good looking squeezes. Cisco, Merck, Disney. There's your auto framer from TC 2000. More than a dozen top notch Alcoa, US Steel, Cliff, all looking really, really good. Cliff is nice because it was 4-1. It's still 4-1 and had such a beautiful afternoon trade that we saw for 11R. Mixed bag in the multi time frame NDX, still a buyer's market, broad strength. And today's nice recovery off support from around 540, getting ready to test that all-time high. This would be a continuation pattern. If it holds support here and then the slope gets stronger, that's going to be a very favorable move. I think we're going to see that for the next 2 days. Good chance for that. All right, that's everything for today. We'll get this published and posted, and we will be ready for them on Tactical Thursday tomorrow. Take good care.